Hello Corkies, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a cocktail formerly known as Purple Rain. Actually, it's still known as Purple Rain, so make sure you stick around. Hello everybody, welcome to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine, reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Alright, so we are going to be making the Purple Rain cocktail, which was the inspiration for Prince's famous song, Purple Rain.
I don't think it was.
Well, it could have been. So anyway, what you are going to need for this drink is gin, whatever brand you like, the blue curacao, some soda water, grenadine, and lime and lemon. So first what we're gonna do is, actually let me chop up my lime and lemon first with that's a knife. You only need a little bit of each. I'd say just like a quarter of each. So we're gonna do about a shot of gin into your glass filled with ice.
Mom, I'm thirsty.
Then we're gonna do the blue curacao. We had some of this left over. If you watched our 12 Days of Christmas cocktails this past year, we made Jack Frosties and we used this stuff in it. So we are gonna do a shot of that. Then you're gonna do just like a little spritz of lime and lemon. And what you're gonna do is give it a stir. And then top it with soda water. So then what you're gonna do is take your grenadine and do just under a shot. And this is the pièce de résistance. Oh my god. All right, so what you're gonna do is just drizzle it over top. So it makes like a rain effect. All right, so let's see if I can do this. Does it look like it's raining? I mean...
Give it a try. How is it?
It smells good anyway. Oh, that's actually really refreshing. Mm. The hint of the lemon and the lime in it make it like kind of tropical feeling.
That is good.
Yeah, this would be great like on a beach or...
Grenadine really sweetens it up.
Yeah, but it has like the sharpness from the citrus stuff. Okay, so maybe it didn't look as stellar as Prince's Purple Rain sounds, but it tastes good, so that's what counts, right? Alright guys, so that is Bartender Bryn's simple Purple Rain. Maybe you can make it look better than I can, but it's gonna taste the same no matter what. Make sure that you guys find us online. We are on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Great content, great community on all those places, so make sure you check it out. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time, bottoms up.